Looking for a smart and scalable way to build the distribution part of your FTTH GPON network? Meet the pillar-based solution, designed for 100% coverage with no compromise on future flexibility. This solution ensures that even customers who couldn't be connected during the initial rollout can be added later. Plus, there's a 25% fiber reserve built in to support future expansion or shared infrastructure. To make implementation easier, we've made navigation simple and intuitive. You'll find a complete list of materials in the product table, including product names, ordering codes, and labels used within the solution. Each product category is color-coded, making it quick to identify components in the network. The city scheme with product labels acts as your network blueprint, helping you understand where each product fits. Every point in the network comes with a clear list of required materials, so you know exactly what's needed at each location. The fiber plan, located on the right side of the scheme, breaks down fiber allocation and product placement for each segment of the network. And here's the smart part. All product labels are interactive. Just click, and you're taken directly to the detailed product page on our website. No searching, no guessing. Let's take a quick look at the components that make up the solution. Fiber distribution hubs. Fiber optic boxes. Fiber optic cables. Microducts. Gas blocks. Optical splitters and splice holders. Each product has its unique function in the network, and thanks to the labels and color codes, you'll find them quickly in our solution. With the pillar-based FTTH GPON solution, you get a reliable, scalable, and future-ready network. Easy to install, efficient to manage, and ready to grow. Discover more at our websites. Thanks for watching.